Alright, we are now here in the Lion King area, here at Disney's Art Animation Resort. There's Timon, Pumbaa, and young Simba walking across a model tree branch. And here we are coming up into building number 6. And we're going to ride the elevators in this building. Got more Otis Elevators to ride with Series 5. I'm gonna ride this car first. Up to 4. You're on 4. Back down to 1. Door close does not work. This one takes a little bit to level. Send this car away, we'll try to get the other elevator. Are you guys going up?
Yes.
Here you go, I got you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, let these ladies go. And now we'll try and get elevator number 1. And it's sitting down here. Let's go to 4. Euro 4. Out there you can see a Mufasa mural. And now we're back down to 1 and end the video. We get a cab view of this elevator. These are definitely pretty nice elevators. I definitely love the DB of this elevator. Floor indicator, key switches, certificates, Series 5 buttons. Capacity is 3500. This is elevator 1, and there's your phone. Here we're back at 1. There we go.
Every time the door goes open, it's like a split second you're
Alright, there goes that elevator. Watch this one close. And that'll be it for this building.